Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an app with ChatGPT. So let's get into it. First of all, open ChatGPT and type in Create Calculator website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now ChatGPT is replying with some explanation and then it will generate HTML code for our index.html file in just few seconds. Let's copy HTML code and paste it in index.html file and save it. Now open index.html file in web browser to see how it looks. Let's generate CSS code by typing code for CSS. And now ChatGPT will generate CSS code in few seconds. Let's copy our CSS code and paste it in style.css file and save it. Now it's time to create a JavaScript code to make our calculator working. Just type code for JavaScript. And ChatGPT will generate JavaScript functionality for our calculator. Now copy JavaScript code and paste it in script.js file and save it. This is how our basic calculator looks like. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.